Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear students around the world. Welcome to your new English YouTube channel, English Pronunciation Course, Lesson 26. English Pronunciation Course with Moroccan tutor Hassane, Lesson 26. The phonetic sound we are going to deal with today is the sound ow, ow, ow. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun pronouncing English words. By the end of this pronunciation lesson 26, you'll have practiced and focused mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound ow, ow, ow. Let's see. The sound ow is generally present in words that have the letter OW. But I should always remind you that this rule is not correct 100%. Because we studied in the previous lessons words that have OW and they are pronounced O. So we have words that have OW are pronounced O. For example, no, slow, blow. Okay? And today we are going to deal with the words that have OW, but they are pronounced ow. They are not pronounced O, they are pronounced ow. Let's see the first example. The first word is a verb, the verb allow, allow. The second word, endow, endow. So let's repeat after me the first word. Allow, allow. The second word, endow, endow. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is bowel, bowel. The second word, brow, brow. Let's say always I ask you to repeat after me because this is for you, not for me. So I am just helping you to pronounce English words correctly. So you need to practice with me. Don't let me repeat all the time. So whenever I say to you, repeat after me. So let's do it. So try to repeat after me to learn from what we're doing. So let's repeat after me the first word. So every word we are going to pronounce it at least twice, at least. So let's repeat the first word twice. Bowel, bowel. The second word, brow, brow. Let's go to the next slide. The first word has two pronunciations. If you remember when we saw it in the words that have OW, we pronounce it bow. So when it is pronounced bow, it's a noun and it means something. Okay, in the archery, so we use a bow and an arrow. But now this word is not a noun, it's a verb. And as a verb, it has another meaning. So to bow, it means to show respect. Bow, bow. So as I said, if it is a noun, it is pronounced bow. If it is a verb, it's pronounced bow. The second word, the animal, cow, cow. Let's repeat after me the first word. Bow, bow. The second word, cow, cow. Let's go to the next word, next slide. So that we know this color, it's pronounced brown, brown. And the second word is pronounced down, down. Let's repeat after me the first word. Brown, brown. The second word, down, down. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced Bowery. Bowery. The second word, dowry. Dowry. Let's repeat after me the first word. Bowery. Bowery. The second word, dowry. Dowry. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced, so we have LW in two words in this compound word. So downtown. Downtown. The second word, downhill. Downhill. Let's repeat after me the first word. Downtown. Downtown. The second one, downhill. Downhill. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced clown. Clown. The second one, Frauen. Frauen. Let's repeat after me the first word. Clown. Clown. The second word, Frauen. Frauen. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced growl. Growl. The second one, howl. Howl. Let's repeat after me the first one. Growl. Growl. The second one, howl. Howl. Let's go to the next slide. These two words are very easy. The first one is how. How. The second one, now. Now. Let's repeat after me the first one. How. How. The second one, now. Now. Let's go to the next slide. The first one is cowl. Cowl. The second word, foul. Foul. Let's repeat after me the first word. Cowl. Cowl. The second word, foul. Foul. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is crowd. Crowd. The second word is dowel. Dowel. Let's repeat after me the first word. Crowd. Crowd. The second word, dowel. Dowel. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is crown. Crown. The second word, town. Town. Let's repeat after me the first word. Crown. Crown. The second word, town. Town. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is a bird. Owl. Owl. The second one, gown. Gown. Let's repeat after me the first word. Owl. Owl. The second word, gown. Gown. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is powder. Powder. The second word, power. Power. Let's repeat after me the first word. Powder. Powder. The second word, power. Power. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pow. Pow. The second word, wow. Wow. Let's repeat after me the first word. Pow. Pow. The second word, wow. Wow. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is flower. Flower. The second one, shower. Shower. Let's repeat after me the first word. Flower. Flower. The second word, shower. Shower. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced rowel, rowel. The second one, towel, towel. Let's repeat after me the first word, rowel, rowel. The second word, towel, towel. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced prow, prow. The second word has two pronunciations. It can be pronounced sow. It's a verb, sow, to sow the seeds on the ground, to have plants. And here it's a noun, it's an animal. It's the female of the pig, so it is pronounced sow, sow. So the same word has two pronunciations. It can be pronounced sow as a verb, and it can be an animal, sow. So here we are going to pronounce it sow. Let's repeat after me the pronunciation of the first word, prow, prow. The second word, sow, sow. Let's continue. The first word is drown, drown. The second word, tower, tower. So let's repeat after me the first word, drown, drown. The second word, tower, tower. Let's continue. The first word is pronounced plow, plow. The second word, vow, vow. Let's repeat after me the first word, plow, plow. The second word, vow, vow. Let's continue. The first word is brownie, brownie. The second word, browse, browse. Let's repeat after me the first word, brownie, brownie. The second word, browse, browse. Let's go to the next slide. Coward, coward. The second one, nowadays, nowadays. Let's repeat after me the first word, coward, coward. The second one, nowadays, nowadays. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is pronounced out, out. So it is pronounced like O-U-T. So it's strange, but it is pronounced out, out. The second one, dowdy, dowdy. Let's repeat after me the first word, out, out. The second word, dowdy, dowdy. Let's go to the next slide. So I think this is the last slide. The first word is vowel, vowel. You know the English vowels, so they are A, E, I, U, O, U. So the English vowels. So vowel, vowel. The second one, vowels, vowels. Let's repeat after me the last slide for the last time. Vowel, vowel, vowels, vowels. I repeat, the English vowels are A, E, I, O, U. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 26. Until then, see you soon in lesson 27 on our two YouTube English channels, House School Hassane and House College Hassane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like for the video if you like the content of the video. Subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to get new videos. Thank you. Goodbye and good luck.